I kind of regret joining the server. Jump scare moment. Oh, jump scare moment. Jump scare moment. Why are there free toad guys? He stole your money. He stole your... Why is he twerking? Oh, that's jump scared me. What happened to your... What happened to your leg? Do you need to go to the hospital? Hello? Do you need to go to the hospital? Do you need to go to the hospital? Do you need to go to the hospital? Yeah, definitely. Why do tall people keep scaring me? That's annoying. At least he's normal. But not all of the people. Honey, tell me you're not gonna buy that because they're gonna the Roblox player said they're gonna remove faces. Please tell me you're not gonna buy that real super happy face. Honey, where's your head? You need to go to the hospital. You need to go to the hospital. Yeah, I'm serious. Why are you Oh, you're cosplaying as Demon Slayer. I know Demon Slayer, but I don't know their names. Yeah, sucks to be me. Ah! My God! You're a boy and why are you a girl? If you're a boy, then why are you a girl? I don't like this server. I wonder what happens if I go inside here. Ah! Jump scare moment. Ah! What are you? Oh, I don't think they can chat. That sucks to be them. Oh my gosh, girl! Your face... your legs look like they've been stung by 10,000 bees and fire ants. Yeah, I'm serious. Look at your legs! Ooh, they don't know how to spell outfit. Outfit. Someone needs to help this girl. Because she's so heavy. I can't lift her up. Ah! Jump scare moment. These servers don't make sense. If they are a boy, they disguise as a girl, and if they're a girl, they disguise as a boy. Who controlled them with a Uno reverse card? Who? Yeah, I'm serious. Who? Disguised. Okay, if girls are disguised as boys and boys disguised as girls, who flipped the rarest Uno reverse card? Who? Yeah, I have enough yelling. Yeah, I'm tired of it. I'm sending this to Roblox, honey. You're gonna be in so trouble. I don't like this server anymore. I'm tired. I'm playing something else. Yay! Oh, what you heard earlier? That's my extra case. My brain is stuck with that same question. If electronic wasn't made on 1910, how did they take pictures? Do they paint it? I'm so stupid. I have no idea. Can I tell you the words that made my friends laugh? Kampoop. Yes, that's the 2 words that made my friend laugh. Because I'm a psychopath. Yes, I got to the elevator. Escalator. Oh no! It was too late. Ah! No. What a waste of time. I can tell if their avatars are child or not. Let's start with Zoe. Child. Yeah, that one. Why do you have a man body? Yeah, that's a child. What kind of psychopath am I? A ghost. I call myself a psychopath. That looks like a 13-year-old. I'm gonna touch his. No N flag? How stupid of me. I'm just gonna play mine. The game. All I know is that the game hates me. Oh my god, loves me again. Okay, I believe the game loves me now.